Hi there, my name is Dimitris Haralambidis, I'm a math teacher, and in this video we'll talk about two-wave frequency tables and most specifically about the conditional probability in them. This video is the fourth and final part of my series on two-wave frequency tables. So, conditional probability, what is it really? By conditional probability in a two-way frequency table, we refer to the probability of one event occurring given that another event has already happened. The conditional probability can be calculated by dividing the joint probability of the two events by the marginal probability of the conditional event. Let's see that through an example. Calculate the probability that a randomly selected person will prefer T given that this person is a student. So, based on what I mentioned, we have to divide the joint probability of these two events. So, the joint probability of a person liking T and being a student, which is T and student 16. So we should divide 16 by the marginal probability of the condition event. The condition event is the probability of being student, and the marginal probability of student is 50. So we should divide probability of student, which is 50. So the probability, the conditional probability of a randomly selected person preferring T, given that that person is a student, is 16 out of 50. Another example, probability of a person being a teacher, given that that person prefers to drink cola, would be the quotient of the joint probability, but it can also be joint frequency of that person at the same time being a teacher and preferring to drink cola over the marginal frequency or marginal probability of that person preferring to drink cola. Teacher and cola is 15. Probability of cola is 41. So 15 out of 41. And that would be all. Once again, the conditional probability has to follow a specific formula, and it is defined as the probability of one event occurring given that another has already occurred. And it can be taken by the division between the joint probability of the two events participating over the marginal probability of the condition event. And that was all. For any question that you might have regarding what you just saw, you can always leave, and you are in fact welcome to do that, your comment below the video. As always, thank you for your time.